Hi everybody, just like to introduce to you the ezCAN for the R1250GS which has just come out. We're actually quite privileged because the guys at Hex in South Africa approached us a while ago to ask us to carry out some beta testing on the product. It fits the R1200 LC of course, but they asked us, Cymarc Bike Parts, to do the beta testing on the R1250GS, which we were very proud and privileged to do so. So we've done the testing, we've reported back accordingly, and Hex have been kind enough to give us permission to advertise the fact. So here we are. All we're doing here is really expressing our opinion of the equipment for you to make an informed choice. Now, I am aware that there are other products similar to this on the market, and I'm sure in their own right they're absolutely fantastic. So I can only comment on what I've been using. Over Christmas, or before Christmas, we fitted the equipment and I've been testing it, and in my very humble opinion, it's absolutely brilliant. Everybody knows the problems with the canvas wiring on the BMWs. You can't go snipping cables. This allows you to plug into the system and then plug your ancillary lights onto it. Not just lights, you can plug on a horn, you can plug or add on another rear brake light, an accessory socket if you're charging with your phone. There's lots of things you can do with this. Now it's very simplistic in its design and its appearance. It comes in a little baggie like that, and you can see it here. That's the unit itself, and on the left hand side of the unit you can see the tails coming out, which then connects to your various accessories, be it lights, horn, rear brake light or mobile phone. And off to the right you see the micro USB, which plugs into the laptop, and on the laptop you can see the program which allows you to program it. So what I mean by that is that you can program the lights to strobe when you hit the horn, you can program the left hand spotlight to turn off when you indicate left, and also on the right hand side when you go to indicate right, the right hand spotlight will go out so that it doesn't take any importance away from the indicator. So it's a really versatile bit of kit. There's so much more you can do with it through the program, which is free to download, of course, and it's great. What I'm going to do now is just disconnect it from the laptop, tuck it all away so you can see how easy it fits below the pillion seat area, cover that up. And then what we'll do is we'll move the bike around so you can see how it actually operates when I turn the ignition on. That's it, squared away. Now I would normally put a rear pillion seat on there, but today we've got the Cymarc utility toolbox, which covers it like that, so that's squared away. Right, this is the bike ready for the demonstration. What I've added to the bike is a pair of aftermarket spotlights, as you can see. Obviously with the GSA one, it comes with it. With the GS one, you've got to add them on after, or buy the very, very expensive BMW ones. So in this case I've got some aftermarket ones. They're connected to the ezCAN, and what I'd like to demonstrate now is the functions, or some of the functions you can do with the equipment. So first off I'm going to turn the bike on, and you'll see the two spotlights energise. The next thing I'm going to demonstrate to you is the setting whereby when you indicate left or right, the spotlight will turn off, as not to detract from the indicator, of course. So I'm indicating left, You should see the indicator come on and the corresponding spotlight go out. I cancel that. The spotlight should come back on, and if I indicate right, you should see the same thing happen, but on the right hand side. The next thing I'll demonstrate is the strobe effect when I press the horn. Now, you can also get the strobe effect if you wish by going into the settings on the laptop for when you press the flash or the pass on the headlight. In this case, I've only got the horn function programmed in, but you'll get the effect. So hopefully you saw that strobe effect when the horn is pressed to make you much more visible on the road. This is the final clip to demonstrate the Hex ezCAN, and this is going to show you what I've plugged in with regards to an auxiliary rear brake light. Now you can see the item here, purchased off the internet, and it's plugged into the ezCAN, and all this allows me to do is when I turn on the bike, you'll see the rear light illuminates there, but if I go to use the brake, you will see both the rear light on the bike and the auxiliary rear brake light illuminate. Now, one thing I can't show you is that you can program it to strobe when you brake over a certain speed. Now, mine is actually set to about 12 miles per hour, so if I brake hard above 12 miles an hour, the rear brake light will actually strobe. Obviously we can't show you that here, but I can assure you it does work. So this is another example of one of the things you can plug into the ezCAN. Now, I hope this has been of help to anybody who might be thinking about this type of gadget. I do stress that it's only in my humble opinion that it's an excellent piece of kit, and I do hope that this video clip has helped you all make an informed choice. So, thanks for watching, ride safe, and bye for now.